Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Halfway Tree. We are on Halfway Tree Road heading towards Crossroads. So on the left you have the Scotiabank branch. This is actually one of three branches Scotiabank has in this. No, the other two are on Constant Spring Road. We're on Halfway Tree Road. Alright, there's Cibc Bank and there's a Usain Bolt building, and Usain Bolt is actually building a second building in this area, not beside this building but close to it. I don't think they have broken ground on it yet, but we'll keep you guys posted or updated on the progress. This building is used for call centers. Call centers rent out the space and operate out of that building. And also, as we started the video, that was NCB Halfway Tree branch on the left. We didn't get a chance to point it out. So you have NCB's branch, then you have Scotia, then you have CIBC First Caribbean. So a lot of bank, and there's also a Jamaica National in the Halfway Tree area. So I think all the major banks have a location in the Halfway Tree area. Alright, this is Cargill Avenue on the right, and that's a Tasty location. That's where you have Tasties, where the first McDonald's used to be in Jamaica, but it's not the McDonald's from the US. A local person had registered the name McDonald's. On the left is Ruthven Road, that's where you have the JPS office. Yeah, so a local person registered McDonald's in Jamaica. So when the US McDonald's came, there was a court case because the name was already registered, and I think the US McDonald's had to pay or buy the McDonald's name from the local person. But McDonald's no longer operates in Jamaica. It just didn't do very well. And I'm not sure why, because Burger King does extremely well in Jamaica. KFC is the #1 fast food restaurant in Jamaica. So I'm very surprised that McDonald's didn't work out. If anybody has any insight as to why McDonald's didn't work out in Jamaica, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to get your insight. And also, they didn't work out before, but I mean, I'm sure they could give it another try. I'm not sure if KFC in Jamaica is franchise, so they have local owners. Burger King is the same thing. They have one owner. They operate all of them. So I'm not sure what happened with McDonald's. Did McDonald's have a local person that owned the franchise, or was it McDonald's Corporation itself that brought those stores down? I'm not sure, because some stores are owned by franchisees and some are owned by the company itself. In the same way, you have some Juicy Patty stores that are directly owned by Juicy Patties. They say they're like corporate stores. And then you have some that are other persons own and they pay a franchise fee. Same thing with Digicel. You had some stores that were owned by Digicel, and you had some that were owned by private individuals. So I'm not sure what happened with McDonald's. I'll be very curious to get other persons' input. But it would be nice if McDonald's was to come back and try again. Alright, this is Oxford Road on the left. On the right is the Flow office, and that used to be the head office for Cable and Wireless before. Actually, Flow didn't take them over. Cable and Wireless rebranded and changed its name to Flow. Alright, so we are on Halfway Tree Road heading towards Crossroads. Now, all the roads that lead to Halfway Tree are some of the busiest roads in Jamaica. You have Constant Spring Road, which the government recently renovated. You have Hagley Park Road, which was recently renovated. You have Halfway Tree Road, which is a road we're on. It's a 4-lane road. Doesn't have the concrete barricade, but it's a very nice road. And then you have Hope Road, which is also a 4-lane road. It's in good condition, just like this road. So all the roads that lead to and from Halfway Tree are some of the busiest roads in Jamaica. And as we said, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, so naturally you're going to find the roads leading to and from Halfway Tree to be busy also. On the right is the head office for Tasty Patties. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.